Now you observed what happened here. So Rishika, can you tell me what do you think we are going to learn today?
We will learn about the problems.
We are learning about problems. I need a better word. Yeah, Puneet.
How the punch solves the problem.
How the punch solves the problem? Yes, part of it.
How panchayat works and the function of sarpanch.
How do you know it, Sindhu?
Didi, I influenced by the text which Hajra told and the sarpanch.
You are using the word text. The role play. So what made you infer? From what word did you understand?
Sarpanch.
Have you heard these words before? Analyze, explore, evaluate.
Yes.
Where did you hear it? Kamalikaran.
Bloom taxonomy.
Bloom. So very good. And evaluate means what are you going to do? Yeah, Harshita.
Compare Didi.
To compare, you need two things. So what will you compare the working of panchayat with?
Gram Sabha.
Not Gram Sabha. What comes before village panchayat? Above village panchayat. Okay, tell me the hierarchy. So we are going to evaluate and compare everything. The working of village panchayat with the local, state and central government. Fine. So who are the main characters?
Sarpanch.
Huh?
Ward.
What?
Members.
Members. Not people. Let's use a better word. Members. Lasya, you know what a word is? Can you please tell? Society, very close. Very close. Yeah, Manikanta.
So the
Very close.
society leader.
No. Kuti.
Didi, society will be there, na Didi.
Hmm?
That is divided into small groups. Or what?
From each ward, there will be a representative who is part of a panchayat. But why do we divide the community or your locality into wards? What is the need?
Didi, sarpanch can't be everywhere, no Didi. He can't every time roam and that way he will divide and that they will give one member.
Exactly. Like suppose something is going wrong here, principal sitting down, will he know? No. So I need to tell him what is the problem in my classroom. So these 5 people elect a sarpanch. The headman is for the tribes, for a village panchayat, sarpanch. So what are the main problems that was discussed in the role play? Vanilla? Better word for broken pipes. Drainage issues. Yes. Yes, Shravani. Water problems. Yes, Rahul. Electricity problems. Sai Charan? Street light and electricity similar, but I'll take it. Street light is a different problem. How did they solve it?
They asked, no, Didi.
No. Sai Charan, can you tell me the process, how they came to a solution?
Didi, they teamwork, so Didi, they all came up with a group and they discussed the what problems.
So who told the problems to the sarpanch?
Didi, what numbers?
Very good. Nikhil, who told the Nitin, who told the problems? Ward members represented, put the problems in front of the sarpanch. But how did the ward members know that these villages, these are the problems that I need to discuss? Whose problems are the ward members representing?
The public.
Who is the public? Where does this public belong to? Where is this panchayat? Village. The villagers. So how did they decide which one to go for first? Yeah, Hazira.
Didi, we saw the major problem. First was health. Didi.
Can you give me a synonym, better synonym for major?
Priority.
Priority. So, and Hazira, since you are talking about priority, can you tell me, since we are doing a leader in me project, which shows leadership, the 7 habits of a leader, which links to this priority?
Put first.
Putting
First things
first. So, prioritize things and then, yes, Pooja.
Isn't the sarpanch ask the ward members that you are agreeing with this or not?
Very good. She says the sarpanch asked all the ward members whether they agree or not. Can you link it to the leadership quality and tell? Yes, Puneet.
Think we mean.
Think, win. What does it mean?
Is it that both are agreeing with their punishment or solution?
So think win-win is basically when you are getting a solution where both the parties are benefiting from it. Only when the majority said yes, she went ahead and did what?
For each problem is
Funds. Good word. Yes. So what did they do with the funds? What is distributing of funds known as? No. Another big word is there, which we learnt last year. Allotted the funds. So now since you know how a village panchayat works, so think all of you are sarpanch in your villages. You are from 4 different villages and you are a group. There is no school in the village. Okay, so the sarpanch and everybody started building a school. Suddenly the funds were over. They put an application to the government, but the funds didn't come in. So how are they going to finish this task? For this, I will be checking on 2 criteria. What do you think sustainable is?
Didi, both should get equally. Didi, suitable.
Similar. Like we read about Suzuki, she found sustainable solutions to protect the planet. The best and something that is long lasting. What is meant by cost? The price, the money here. Effective means effective way of using. Okay. In less money, you are going to make a greater impact. But you know the group rules, right? Everybody needs to speak. So one of you is a sarpanch, and one of you are going. The others are going to be who? Go.
Who want 2 big pizza?
Okay, Shrija is the sarpanch. Didi picks. Haan. So you are the ward members. So you know the problem. Now discuss. Didi is going to observe it. You are the sarpanch. Okay.
Didi, if we
So when somebody is speaking, what do we do?
in
Right?
YouTube we can say help us, and we can in YouTube
But-
we can say help us, we are building a school for children, they'll help us.
So this problem solution is similar to something that Pooja's team did, but I am looking for that word. Word. Yes. Tell anybody then.
Digital technology.
Using digital technology to make other people aware of your problem. This is a very effective way of fundraising.
If money is over, the funds are over,
Huh.
so we can take a box, Didi.
Huh.
We can tell in the village everyone, Didi.
Okay.
Who gives the money, we can use, Didi.
So what is that word? What are you going to take a box? Donate. Asking for donations. And what is your point?
We also same way like them, only we ask donation. If
Okay.
someone are unable to give, they can work survey. Survey.
What is that word known as?
Voluntary service.
Voluntary service. Digital technology you are using. Do you think it is cost effective or not? You told digital technology. So how is this cost effective? I want you to justify your answer. That's it. Huh.
It will take 10-20 rupees.
Why do you think it will only take 10
Balance,
rupees?
net balance.
In net balance, yes. What you mean is, you don't need lots of money. All you have to go and do is, if anybody has a laptop or maybe the internet center in the village, you can just use the digital technology. What if there are no internets in the village? Some villages don't have net connections, right? Newspaper, a cheaper and effective way, advertising it in the newspaper. Manikanta says posters also, like Gram Sabha meetings, we use posters, very effective way. Didi did not expect that you will come up with this. You surprised me today. Yeah.
Didi, if Didi, that all things have to build it,
Huh,
here,
huh.
but the people are not have Didi. So
Some villages there might be less people. Very good. Yeah, very good.
we can call, we can ask the help us.
From whom will you ask?
This
If there are no,
from another village.
next village. So that is known as, very good point, that nobody said you are mobilizing labor to come and help you with, right? The very good point. Even Didi did not think about it. So now you understood how village panchayat works? So before we close, I want one of you to tell me what are the leadership qualities the ward members or the sarpanch should have so that they can be effective leaders and they can make sure the village, everything in the village is working effectively.
Integrity.
Can you link this integrity thing to the allotment of funds and tell how can the Sarpanch be show integrity in that? Puneet's point, Puneet will only answer. Puneet will answer. I know all of you are excited. Huh?
Dili, how much they want, that much they can give.
No. Yes, Zareen.
Dili, I have lots of money. I can become Lalchi also. I will take.
Lalchi, the better word. Not rich.
Greedy.
Greedy. Right? The great thing, when it becomes excess, you become corrupt. So when I am the Sarpanch, how can I show integrity is whatever money I am getting from the central government, I will utilize it fully and very honestly for my people. People first, then as later, right? We are here to serve the people as a panchayat. Yeah? So now, did you understand how we explored the topic? So how did we explore it? Through what? Through what? Role play. You understood how a Sarpanch works and analyze. How did you analyze? How are they working? How did you analyze? How did you analyze? Yeah, Abhishek. You used a critical thinking to compare the working with other things. And how did you evaluate? Yes, Pravalika. By giving suitable examples, right? By thinking the solutions you come up with, are they applicable or not? Will they work through sustainable and cost effective way? So did we do justice to the objective today? Yeah?